here with your 1-minute party tip for 4th of July. We're gonna be making these super cute American flag candles good for inside or outside decorating. Here's what you're going to need: a mason jar, a small American flag, white sand, a battery-powered candle, and a hot glue gun. Take your American flag off of the stick very carefully. There might be staples in it. And we're going to hot glue the corners of it to the mason jar, starting at the bottom. A little bit of hot glue right in the corner, wrap it around the jar, and glue the other corner. If you want, you can use the wooden stick to help press down the flag on the hot glue so you don't burn your fingers. Glue up near the top and the other side. Fill your jar about 1/3 full with the white sand. Add a battery-powered candle and you're good to go. Leave it off during the day, turn it on at night, put it in your window. It looks fantastic. An easy way to decorate and celebrate. Happy 4th of July.